Let's get started. Level 1, the Quilted Multiverse. This level is the most straightforward and least controversial of the four. It doesn't require any new physics. It just requires space to be really, really big. The theory of cosmic inflation, which is our best model for the early universe, suggests that space isn't just big, it's infinitely big. Our observable universe, the sphere of everything we can possibly see, is limited by the speed of light. It's about 93 billion light-years across. We call this our Hubble volume. But what lies beyond that horizon? According to level 1, it's just more universe. More space, more galaxies, more stars, more planets, all governed by the exact same laws of physics we have here. Think of it like a giant, infinite quilt. Our observable universe is just one patch. And here's where it gets personal. In an infinite space, with a finite number of ways particles can be arranged, patterns are forced to repeat. Far enough away, and we're talking distances so large they make your brain hurt, there's another patch of this cosmic quilt that is identical to ours. Yes, somewhere out there is another you. And another. And another. There's a version of you who became a billionaire. A version who decided to be a rapper. A version where dinosaurs are still around. Everything possible, within our laws of physics, is happening somewhere. Not in another dimension, but just incredibly, impossibly far away. Level 2, the inflationary multiverse. Now, things get weirder. If level 1 stretched your brain, level 2 is about to snap it. It proposes our universe isn't just a patch on a quilt, but one single bubble, in a bubbling foam of other universes. And in those other bubbles, the very laws of physics are different. This idea comes from a theory called eternal inflation. Think of the energy field before the Big Bang, like a boiling pot of water. Some pockets of this field cooled down, and a bubble of spacetime formed. That was our Big Bang. But here's the key. Elsewhere, that field is still boiling. It's a runaway process, constantly spawning new bubble universes, each one its own cosmic event. Crucially, each time a bubble forms, the fundamental constants of physics can lock into different values. Imagine a universe where gravity is too weak for stars to form, or one where it's so strong everything instantly collapses. Most of these universes would be dead. But in a near-infinite cosmic lottery, a few bubbles like ours would accidentally get the settings just right for life to exist. It's a chilling explanation for why our universe seems so perfectly fine-tuned for us. We simply lost the lottery in all the other ones. Level 3, the many worlds multiverse. Levels 1 and 2 put other worlds impossibly far away. But level 3? It says they're all around us, popping into existence with every passing microsecond. This idea comes not from cosmology, but from the deep weirdness of quantum mechanics. In the quantum world, particles exist in a superposition of states. An electron isn't here or there, it's kind of in both places at once until we measure it. The old-school interpretation says our measurement collapses all the possibilities into just one reality. But in the 1950s, physicist Hugh Everett asked a terrifyingly simple question: why should it? Everett's many worlds interpretation says the universe never collapses. It fractures. Every time a quantum choice is made, the entire universe splits. You didn't just choose to keep watching. A version of you, in a universe that just split off from our own, got bored, and is now watching cat videos. Both realities are equally real. These universes aren't far away. They exist in the same space and time as us, but we can't see or touch them. It's like a radio. All the stations are broadcasting at once, but you're only tuned to one. This creates an infinitely branching tree of realities, a ghost of every choice you ever did, and didn't make. Level 4. The mathematical multiverse. Prepare yourself. We've gone from far away to all around us. Now we're leaving physics behind entirely. This is level 4, the most abstract and mind-bending of all, the mathematical universe hypothesis. The proposal is simple. Anything that is mathematically consistent is physically real. Think about our universe. What is it really? It's just particles and fields obeying a set of rules, general relativity, the standard model, that are described by pure mathematics. Level 4 argues the equations aren't just a description of reality. The equations are the reality. Our physical world is nothing more than a complex mathematical structure. And if our mathematical structure is real, why shouldn't every other self-consistent mathematical structure be real too? This implies the existence of universes so alien we can barely conceive of them. A universe with only 2 dimensions. A universe governed by a completely different type of logic. This is the ultimate ensemble. A library containing every conceivable reality that can be described by math. Level 5, an incomputable universe. So, is that it? Is a multiverse of all possible mathematical structures the end of the line? Maybe not. Some have criticized level 4, asking what mathematically consistent even means. Gödel's incompleteness theorems show that some mathematical statements can be neither proven nor disproven. Could universes exist based on these undecidable structures? This leads to the idea of an incomputable universe, a reality whose governing principles are so complex that they cannot be simulated or calculated by any possible computer. What would such a reality look like? It's almost impossible to say. Perhaps there is a level 5, a multiverse based not on mathematics, but on something even more fundamental. What if logic itself is not singular? Could there be universes based on different systems of logic, where A and not A could both be true? At this point, we are deep in the realm of pure speculation, pushing the very boundaries of what the human mind can model. Maybe level 5 multiverse is just the friends we made all along. So there you have it. From identical copies of you living out different lives light years away, to bubble universes with alien laws of physics, to a shadow version of yourself that was created a second ago when a particle swerved left instead of right, all the way to a grand cosmic library of every reality that math can describe. This is not settled science. This is a map of the very edge of human imagination. Whether any of it is true, we don't know. But these ideas stretch our minds and give us a profound, perhaps terrifying sense of scale. They suggest the stage on which our tiny lives play out may be infinitely grander and stranger than we ever imagined. So now I have to ask you, which level seems most plausible to you? And more importantly, which one scares you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks for watching.